shit on. Alright, I guess, what's going on, world? Shit, man, Young Lynn from BBMG. Shout out my big bro, Ski. What's happening with it? Got another video for y'all. Well, my hands out of the cash, so I'm back to 100%, back in the gym, trying to get it in. You feel me? Y'all gonna get a couple body shots in the future, but anyway, got another video. Bye. I've been single, been lonely, and hating every second of it, baby. I can't sleep right one more night, 'cause I miss the loving from my lady. I'll give up almost anything to get you back into my life. Baby, I'm sorry for whatever I've done, and I want you to be my wife. Why did you go? Why did you leave? Why did you take your love from me? What did I do? What did I say? Why did you take your love away? What's the problem? Can we talk, baby? I thought our love was real and true. You can tell me I'm a list, girl. It's nothing that we can't work through. Life is nothing without love to share, and I don't want to be alone. I fucked that up or whatever, nigga. A nigga missed the line, actually. Like, we tipsy on this end, nigga. Get it in, nigga. It's Young Lynn, nigga. Alright.